Go with Ate Isa. Go. Ito ba? Careful. Mababasa natin yung sahig.
Maybe wipe your shoes now.
Wipe your shoes.
Chase, wipe your shoes.
Wow. Wow.
Maybe you guys
Maybe take off your shoes.
Here, on the side.
Okay, off my shoes.
Sit.
So I think you can just leave them on the side.
Wow. Okay. Wow.
Yep, that should be okay.
Wow.
Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Here is the table. There's no table. And then here. Wow. This is awesome. Let's see it.
We're here.
Papa.
Ah. Yeah, there's coffee. Sure, and snacks.
What's there? Ta-da!
Okay, I want to see the mini fridge.
Okay. Para tayo nag-room tour.
Oops. How do you open?
Wala.
Take off your socks because it might be wet. Oh, okay, it's dry. It's okay. Not that wet.
Here's the bed. I'll pick up my socks to the bed. Then here's the aircon. Wow! And here's, oh wow!
Outdoor shower.
Wait, is it?
Ito yung bed na hihila.